Hello and welcome to the Design and Technology Teachers Association of Victoria's Speculative Design Challenges. And to break these challenges down, we're going to ask three simple questions. The first question is, what if? And for this challenge, we're going to consider what if drone technology was approved for all future transport design? Now that covers a lot of different areas, so we can ask ourselves some further questions. Who would be allowed to use these flying vehicles? What would personal transport look like? How would public transport evolve? And could freight transport use this technology? What could emergency services vehicles look like in the future? The next question we're going to ask ourselves is what could be? And here you have an opportunity to investigate current and future concepts. We can look at what products and services are being used now, or what future concepts are currently being developed. What ideas have you seen in games and movies, and what sorts of technologies still need to be developed to make this a possibility? How could this improve our lives, and how could it be accessible, sustainable, ethical, and safe? Now, the last question we're going to ask is, what do you think? And this is where you have an opportunity to create your own ideas. In a speculative design challenge, there can be no limits. So imagine there's no technology barriers, no financial limits. And what if all the materials and components you require are readily available? How could you make the best solution possible? And how could you minimize any possible negative consequences for your concept? Now, to help you navigate this complex design challenge, the Teachers Association has a template that you can download from their website. And this template can help you map out some of your thinking. And in each space, you could undertake a mind map. You could collect useful images for inspiration. You could sketch your ideas. And you should really expect your thinking and ideas to develop and change as you consider new aspects of this design challenge. Now, once you've formed a new concept, you need to decide how to best communicate it to others. You could try to do one of the following. You could draw a detailed sketch, create a poster, build a 3D CAD model. You could even build a prototype using real materials, or you could make a video and a website. Consider also how you'll capture feedback from others. What do they think the future will look like? And how could you make your preferred futures a reality? The Teachers Association would love to see your concepts, and we hope that you can share them with us, and you can find out how to do that through the website by searching for Speculative Design Challenges. We can't wait to see what you've come up with, and good luck.